Assalamu alaikum students, I hope you all are doing well. Students, we are in unit 3, that is spreadsheets in Excel. Today you'll see that how we can manipulate data, whether it is numeric data or non-numeric data in MS Excel in cells, and further we will see that how we can enter data in the spreadsheet and how we can edit data inside the Microsoft Excel spreadsheet. So first of all, manipulation of data, numeric and non-numeric in cell. Data may be numeric or non-numeric. Numeric data, that is numbers, are used for numeric purposes, that is for addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, etc. It consists of digits from 0 to 9 and the special signs, that is plus, minus, parenthesis, division symbol and percentage, etc. Non-numeric data means text are used for non-numeric purposes. It might be used to display names, headings, messages, etc. It may include letters, digits and other special characters. Entering data. User can enter the numeric or non-numeric data in the selected cell by simply typing from keyboard. Yes, input is provided by using the input device, that is keyboard. By default, numeric data, that is numbers, are aligned to the right in the cell, whereas the non-numeric data, that is text, will appear by default to the left in the cell as shown here in this figure. The following procedure is used to enter data in a cell. First of all, click on the cell where you want to enter the data. Type your data into the cell through your keyboard. Then press the enter or arrow key on the keyboard or click on another cell with the mouse to complete the entry. So it's very simple that how you can input data or enter data in the Microsoft Excel spreadsheet. Okay, editing data. So we'll see that how you can edit data inside a spreadsheet. The process of changing, deleting the existing data is called editing. Data can easily be edited in MS Excel. There are different ways to edit the data which are given below. First, if you want to edit the complete cell contents, so for this purpose first we have to click on that specific cell for which we want to change the complete cell contents, and then type over the existing entry, and after this press the enter key on the keyboard. So this is how we can change the complete cell content in the Microsoft Excel spreadsheet. Second, if you want to edit part of the cell content, so there are two methods for this purpose. Method 1 is you have to click on the cell content will be appeared on the formula bar. You already know the formula bar. Then click on the data in the formula bar, delete the part to be changed by pressing delete or backspace button and type in the new data, and then press enter key. So this is how you can edit part of the cell content by using the formula bar. Another method for editing part of the cell content is that you have to double click on the cell, edit the part of the cell you want to change. By double clicking the cell, the cursor will be placed inside the cell, so then you can easily change part of the cell content, and then after making the required changes, press enter key. So it's very simple. This is how you can edit the data inside a cell. Okay, then autofilling data. Autofill is a very handy and time-saving feature of Microsoft Excel. With this feature, you can quickly and automatically fill cells with series of data such as consecutive numbers or alphabets, days of the week, months, etc. Let's see how it works. Type Monday in the cell A1. Move your cursor to the bottom right of the A1 cell. Cursor's shape will be changed from a white cross to a black cross. When your cursor looks like the autofill one, that is the black cross, hold down your left mouse button and drag your mouse to the cell G1, which will automatically fill the cells from B1 to G1 with the rest of the days of week as shown here in this figure. In this figure I have just written the first day of the week, that is Monday, and after placing the cursor on the bottom right corner of this cell which contains the word Monday and drag it to the G, so you will see that the rest of the names of days of a week will be inserted automatically. So this is just because of the auto-filling data feature of the Microsoft Excel. Okay, in the next slide we will be demonstrating these things practically in the Microsoft Excel, so don't forget to watch that video. Okay students, now you'll see that how we can do these things practically in the Microsoft Excel. Okay, first of all, how we can enter data in a spreadsheet. So by default sheet 1 is open. You can just type through your keyboard like roll number. If I want to input a series of numbers, so I will just type the first number, that is 1, and placing the cursor on the bottom right corner of this cell, so the cursor will become a black cross instead of this white cross. See, black cross appears. I will hold the mouse click and will drag it to the required position. But in case of numbers, if you want to increment the number by 1, you have to press or you have to hold the control button along with holding the mouse click. So holding the control button, you will see a small plus appears along with that black cross or plus. So when you drag your cursor to the other cells, you will see that each time it increments by 1. So let's say up to 10. This is how you can insert numbers here. Let's say if I want to type the name, one thing I tell you that you can also manage the width of the cells from here, like you want to increase it or decrease it. Of course, for names we need more width of the cells. So here I'm going to write names. So this is how you can just type the text or the numbers, whatever the data you want to input in the Microsoft Excel, and then move through the navigation keys or arrows. You can also press enter to finish the entering of data in any specific cell. So it's very simple. Okay, so this is how you can input or enter data in the Microsoft Excel sheet. The second thing that we have studied here, that how you can edit the data inside a cell. So it's very simple. The first thing, or the first method, was that you have to click on any cell and the content of that cell will appear in the formula bar. Here you can see it appears in the formula bar. Like for example, if I want to make changes in this specific cell, so I will click on it and the content appears here in the formula bar, and I will simply like Abdullah Khan, I made the changes. If you want to change the complete cell content, so that is also possible. Instead of Hamza, you can write Rashid. So the complete cell content is changed. And another way of changing the cell content or part of the cell content, so you can do it very easily. Like for example, if you want to just make changes in a cell content, so you can just double click on it. See, by double clicking the cursor is placed inside the cell. So you can easily do it like this. It's very simple. In both ways you can make changes in the cell content, whether you want to change the complete cell contents or you want to change part of the cell content. It's very easy. Okay, the other thing that we studied in this lesson, that is autofill data. So it's very simple. The example that we studied there, we'll do it practically here. If you want to delete any data, just select it and press the del button or delete button, so the content will be removed. Okay, I have written the first day of the week, and the rest will be filled automatically. You can do it easily in Microsoft Excel. You have to place the cursor over here or select this first cell, then place the cursor at the bottom right of this cell. So the autofilling cross, that is black cross, will appear, or black plus symbol will appear. So now we are going to autofill names of the days of a week. So I will hold the mouse click and will drag it to the cell G, at column G. See, the other names of the days of week appears automatically. So when I leave the cursor over here and unhold the mouse click, you will see that the other days names are inserted automatically. So it's a very time saving feature and very easy feature of the Microsoft Excel, that is autofilling data. So I hope you have got these things completely and clearly, and there is no problem in it. It's very easy. Still, if you have any question, you can ask me in the comments. Thanks a lot. Take care. Okay students, that's it for today. Ask your questions in the comments and don't forget to subscribe my channel Computer Tuition Academy. Thanks a lot. Take care. Allah Hafiz.